Ladies Night, Lucianna PADMORE on drums, Kim Clarke on bass, BERTHA Hope on keyboards. Welcome her daughter, vocalist Monica Hope.
Hello everybody, thank you for coming out. Okay, I'm ready. It's so nice to see Brooklyn in the house. I used to live out here for like 12 years, over there on Gates between Washington and St. James, and then on Court Street, so I feel like I'm back home for a minute. All right. Singing low, bye bye blackbird, where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so is she. Bye bye blackbird, no one here can understand me. Oh, what hard luck stories they all hand me. Make my bed and light the light, I'll arrive late tonight. Blackbird, bye-bye. Thank you. My mother, Bertha Hope, of piano, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna pack up my cares and whoa, here I go swinging low. Bye bye, bye bye bye, blackbird, where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so is she. Bye 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 bye, blackbird. I said no one here can love or understand me. Oh, hard luck stories. Everybody got a story to hand me to make my bed and light the light. I'll be home late tonight. Blackbird, blackbird, bye bye. I said blackbird, blackbird, bye bye, bye bye. Oh, that was fun, thank you.